Oh, good, you're here. Let's get started. Come on. I'm gonna start off by working with the title and then kind of working my way back. What do you think? It's upcycle, 2 dots, a Goodwill project. Semicolon, yes, I was trying to remember. Or what if it's 2 lines? What's the 2 lines? A lot of people do that. Anyways, that's not the upcycle. How do you spell cycle? Okay. Here's this cup of coffee, and then we're gonna go to Goodwill, see what we can find. See ya at Goodwill. I need to get gas. I think it'd be really cool to do this whole project under 20 bucks. So like redo the base, change the base into like a wooden base, like a. I don't know. I feel like it's a challenge that I want to accept. It's only $5. I came for like the furniture, but I'm leaving with the lamp. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Alright.
Do it.
Let's do it.
This is a gamble. I don't know. This is secondary. Okay, let's go. We'll talk at the shop. Back on the shop. Budget so far was about $3.50. I'm curious if this lamp actually works. Ooh, that's dust. Much dust in there. Ah, yes. Okay, it works. So while I was driving, I thought about how I could do this. Did some brainstorming, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to use as many pieces from this old lamp as we can, just so we can say we actually upcycled. And we're gonna use these little tubes, and we're gonna go up, we're gonna angle it, and right here I'm gonna make some sort of wood triangle. We're gonna use this for right here. So it's gonna be, and then we're gonna get a light and boop, boop, boop. bed feeling a little bit off. I needed to change something, I just didn't know exactly what. So I went ahead and I bought a Edison light bulb and I put it on and then quickly realized what the problem was. I fixed it. I'm gonna show you the final. And you thought this video was over, so did I, until I forgot to really talk about what I just did. The plan was to go to Goodwill, find a project under $20, upcycle it, not using too many new pieces. I had a lot of fun with this because it was definitely a challenge. I definitely could add some more quality parts, but I wanted to keep it simple. Definitely want to do this more in the future, so stay tuned. Maybe we're gonna walk around Goodwill and do some more of these. So until next time, BeeNeh. Now the video's over. But I just felt like I need to communicate that.